A traditional leader from Acholi is counting his blessings after surviving Tuesday's deadly bus crash in Jiandongo, simply because he chose to walk away from management over his seat. Rwot Kasimiro, the revered clan chief of Kalpauton in Acholi, had boarded the ill-fated megabus in Gulu City. It's time for Kampala. He held a valid ticket and took his assigned seat. But moments before departure, another passenger claimed the same seat and refused to move, despite being shown the receipt. Rather than escalate the dispute, Rwot made a quiet decision. He disembarked, ticket in hand, and waited for the next bus. That decision saved his life. Hours later, at around 2 a.m. along the Gulu-Kampala highway in Chirandogo, the bus collided head-on with a sino truck. 7 people died, dozens were injured. Rwot only learned of the tragedy the next morning. I still have the receipt, he told us, and shared it, pulling out the crumpled paper from his pocket. Seat number 15, I was meant to be on that bus, but that's God's plan. The Kalpauton chief, known in his community as a high unifier and custodian of Acholi tradition, said he holds no anger toward the man who refused to give up the seat. Perhaps he too was meant to survive, or perhaps he was meant to take my place. I do not know. I only know that I am alive and I must thank God. Rwot has since returned to his community in Acholi, where elders and residents have gathered to celebrate his narrow escape. He plans to visit the survivors of the crash in Jirandongo Hospital later this week.
Apoyo matek tutual. Apoyo wan watie. Abira pakwaro bene tika gwoko wapudi. Kere bede ka enera chwaro receipt no malo ni. Receipt no ene ye receipt mana chulo ke bach ma ochero no awano ka gwore nene wi yamo ne bach mo no awano chia da geno te mene ye ma ana chulo chipura chero awache ka yete ping man ke gulu kene ka chawa ngwen na bich mi wo bich ye to twale ma wadonye bach ana kate wako wache ka nonge mo pi mo awot kere kin yo Maduga no ngato mo bino bedo kakara. Dano chane dong tiche chalo tiche la tal. Kwero matwal kwero ako. Naga dong pedong bena tele. Chidong wigi bachi company ni mega bazi dugo kwanya nila dit yindong ba. Yinde a do bini bit ene bach wachiel bene. Ubi ako kingede kaka piario. Andong patam. Angere ke bera kwanyo baga chachera hoy bach me ma ne na mario ni chidong mawa o yo area biele kinyo ken biele ke gene kap kwa fu kana kasongola jono chero no wana oketa tekere ni chawa chabira pakwarwa mi achiel kar tie mi ario ngeo ni je mukana matime machalo perache ni karbe no che lok time pe bere ikuo pa ngara chala chel je mukana matime marrejo ni kar chao kana time pe bere ke bene ka nen gi mo tika time marach karbe ne duok mabe chabila pa kwarbe no tien lok no tie bene chungkeri man gen matie no ara poe matek total.
A tragic hate collision between a megabus passenger bus and Sinotrack at California village along the Kampala highway has now claimed 7 lives. Police have confirmed. According to an updated statement from the Uganda police force, the death toll rose after a critically injured passenger died overnight at Chiandong Hospital. The deceased include 3 women, 2 men, and 2 children. Among them, the bus conductor and a 3-year-old toddler. At the time of the crash, the bus was carrying 53 passengers and 2 crew members. It had departed Gulu City just after midnight on Tuesday, heading to Kampala. Preliminary police investigation suggests the bus driver, identified as Kilama, attempted to overtake a stationary trailer in poor visibility, leading to the head-on collision with the oncoming truck. SP Patrick Onyang, police spokesperson, confirmed that 31 survivors are currently receiving treatment at Nyandongo and nearby referral hospitals. Injuries range from broken bones to internal bleeding and head trauma. The bus driver fled the scene immediately after the crash and remains at large. We are actively pursuing Kilama, SP Onyang said. We urge him to surrender. He faces multiple charges, including reckless driving and causing death. The longer he runs, the worse it will be for him. The truck driver is in police custody and is assisting with investigations. Authorities have also appealed to witnesses to come forward as they work to establish the full circumstances surrounding the accident. Meanwhile, families of the victims continue to arrive at Nyandongo Hospital mortuary for identification of their loved ones.